Welcome to Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays, where you can get the latest information about products, installation tips, or other news. I'm Diana Jackson, Customer Service Representative at Osborne. Today I would like to share with you the beautiful table legs available in our Tapered collection. These sophisticated designs feature versatile square profiles with tapered elements. We offer a wide range of squared tapered legs, including two-sided and four-sided options. The two-sided variation is composed of a standard square edge on two sides of the piece and a satisfying tapered edge on the other two sides. The four-sided tapered design features tapered edges on all sides of the piece. Tapered legs can be used to complement a wide range of interior designs from traditional to contemporary. They are available in heights that accommodate everything from coffee tables to kitchen islands. You can also choose from a variety of wood species and finish the leg to perfectly accent your space. Thanks for joining me for Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays. You can find our full selection of tapered legs on our website, www.osbornewood.com. If you would like to stay up to date on product releases, installation tips, or other news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.